Now to do setup on the new meter, I'm going to go to menu and down to setup. And input 1 is where we have the pH probe connected to. So input 1, the probe selection is a pH probe. I'm going to enter there. The type of it, the element, this is a AquaMetrix water analytics probe. Should be the 1000 ohms is the temperature element setting. If it was a Sensor X or Hawk, it would be 300. So 1000 is correct. The temperature compensation push should be on. Temperature unit could be in Celsius or Fahrenheit, so we're going to hit it in Fahrenheit. So that does the type is finished in differential, so we can go back, and back. So that's the probe, and then the probe configuration. If we want anything, type element, compensation, Fahrenheit, yeah, it's all the same. So this is back. Now we can go and set up the relay outputs. Relay 1 is going to be set up for, hang on. So when we set up our relays, the first relay, either denoted with A or on this particular relay, it's 1. So input 1, process 1, the relay mode is going to be falling for addition of caustic. So caustic control would be falling. And then you put a on point, so you can move the cursor over here and select. So let's say we'll have it on at 6.3 or something, or 6.4, 6.4, and we're gonna relay 1 off at 6.5. So it's gonna add, in this particular one, up to 6.5. If you want to use different points, you can use different points. So now this process the relay will always be on below 6.4 and below, and once it reaches 6.5, it turns off to stop adding caustic or lime or something of alkaline nature. So I hit enter to accept, and that's the mode of the relay mode. We don't use the cycle on and off, so that's off. Relay delay, we don't use that, it's off. We don't use the overfeed timer, that's off. Override is an auto. So there's the summary. Falling 6.4, 6.5, okay? Back. So that's the relay mode. Your input is process 1. And back. So that's your relay 1. It's already set up. And that's how we set up. Relay 2 is usually denoted for adding a coagulant, if we're running coagulant by pH. And that be process 1 still. Relay mode is going to be the opposite of falling, it would be a rising. So if we're adding a coagulant, let's put this at, maybe it's, put it at 7.4, or let's put 7.1, whatever, for purposes right now. So this is going to be, has to be lower, 7 point, or let's go 6, 5, 5.425. Okay, so anytime it's above 7.1, the relay will be on, and if you activate an acid feed or the coagulant feed, it will drop the coagulant and stop until it reaches 5.25. So I've set up a generic or an idea of a addition of coagulant or acid from the second relay 2. So that relay, process 2, relay mode is correct. Just checking everything back. So that's relay 2. And then the last thing we'll do is calibration.